The fourth tool in the root cause analysis as prescribed by ASQ body of knowledge is the matrix chart. We have already talked about matrix chart. There we took this example where we had 4 courses, Six Sigma white belt, yellow belt, green belt, black belt, and we made matrix out of that depending on the difficulty level, potential, the statistical knowledge, the business application. We made a matrix out of that. This is your matrix chart, but then how does this help you in root cause analysis? Now think of each of these rows, difficulty level, potential to make financial impact. Look at these as what customer is looking for. Let's say customer is looking for less difficulty level, more business application, less statistical knowledge. You list down whatever customer is looking for, you list down here. So that's where you put what customer requires, and here on these things you can put how you serve the requirements of the customer. This could be the number of options, number of products you might have. So look at that how each of these product or how each of these options can help in serving those requirements of the customer. So you can make a matrix out of that can help you in understanding that which process, which product you want to select. So this matrix, which is the matrix chart, might help you in selecting the appropriate options. If we go little more complex in matrix chart, you might end up with quality function deployment or the house of quality, which we are not discussing here. But house of quality is something like this, where you put what customer wants, how you serve that, how competitors are serving that, how these things are related to each other. There's a lot of complexity as compared to matrix chart once you make the quality function deployment or the house of quality, which we are not discussing here, but that part will be discussed in the green belt. But a simple matrix chart can definitely help you in identifying which option to go with. So with this, we complete 4 tools which were recommended for the root cause analysis.